So how can you stop the activity notifications on the Apple Watch? Let's get started. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. So you actually need to grab the iPhone that is paired to your Apple Watch and just open up the watch application so you can manage all of the random things in here. But I want you to scroll down a little bit more and go to the activity, right? So the fitness activity app, it's like the ring icon one where you can get inside and you can disable the notifications with the click of a button. So you switch to from allow notifications to notifications off. And this gets the job done as it literally stops pushing any kind of notifications to you. So that's pretty cool. But if you want to, you can specifically customize it. For example, you can still allow the notifications, but perhaps stop the standing reminders or the daily coaching, perhaps you don't like that, or the goal completion, special challenges, activity sharing notifications and stuff like that, right? So you can manage it specifically or turn it off completely, but that's how it works. It's generally that simple. So in case you are interested in this kind of topics, make sure you subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. Stay tuned for more and I'll see you later. So thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you then.